Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into portable storage options with the Fanxiang 512GB SSD USB flash drive FF520. I'm always on the hunt for great storage and Fanxiang has impressed me before. Let's see if this little guy lives up to the hype. First up, let's crack open the box. The packaging is basic, but hey, the star of the show is the drive, not the cardboard. Inside we find the FF520 nestled in foam, looking sleek and metallic. This thing feels solid, like it could survive a drop, though I wouldn't recommend testing that. Plus, it has both USB-A and USB-C connectors, making it ready to party with any device, new or old. The only downside, no caps for the connectors, so watch out for pocket dust. Okay, time for the real test. Can this thing move files? I ran Crystal Diskmark on a PC and I was pleasantly surprised. We're talking read speeds up to 460 MB per second and write speeds up to 444 MB per second, even faster than advertised. Big file transfers, easy peasy, handles sustained workloads like a champ. I also tested it on my iMac using Blackmagic speed test. While my Mac's internal SSD is faster, this little guy delivers. It did warm up during transfers up to around 40 Celsius, but that's perfectly normal. Now for the practical application, this drive makes quick transfers between my iMac and Pixel 8 a breeze, ditching the hassle of Google Drive. It's like replacing the lost Apple ecosystem magic of AirDrop with fast, reliable hardware. Boom! So it's fast, portable, well-built and affordable. The lack of connected caps is a minor downside, but the real-world performance is impressive. So if you need reliable, on-the-go storage with serious speed without wrecking the bank, this guy got you covered. Just grab some caps. And I agree, cloud storage is cool, but sometimes you gotta have your files physically with you. So for that, this Fanxiang drive is a solid option. Just saying. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys on the next one.